Something really cool, I was wondering what this spray feature is. If you look on the car itself, it actually has lights on the front, but on the back here, you put water in here and it actually, you can spray out and it's like fog. How cool is that, guys? This is awesome. Let's try it out on the floor. Oh yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Go ahead and fix this real quick. And the cool part about this is the smoke is still going. And I have the drift wheels on here now. This is awesome. All right, guys, let's take it to outside. Quick. It says it does 20 kilometers on the page itself. Definitely really quick. Super responsive driving here. All right, y'all. Well, I love this thing. Definitely go ahead and check it out.